If your SafeLink phone is stolen, act fast. First, immediately call SafeLink customer service at 1-888-478-6780 to report the theft. This is crucial for locking your account and suspending your service to prevent unauthorized use. Next, file a police report. This is often required for a replacement phone and can help with any insurance claims or legal recourse. Make sure you note down the police report number, as you'll need it later. SafeLink also offers online reporting via their app or website for quicker access. Finally, if possible, try to remotely wipe your phone using tools like Find My Device for Android to protect your personal information. To get a replacement SafeLink phone, you must still meet the Lifeline eligibility requirements, such as having an income under 135% of the federal poverty level or participating in certain assistance programs. The eligibility check is important, so make sure to have your documentation ready. Basic replacement phones are often free or low cost, around $0 to $20, although you might need to pay a small fee for shipping. Keep in mind that FCC rules generally allow only one replacement per 12-month period to prevent fraud. After reporting the theft and providing a police report, replacements typically arrive within 7 to 14 days after approval. Remember that the merger with Verizon in 2024 has improved response times, with suspension happening within 24 to 48 hours. With stricter anti-fraud measures since 2023, ensuring your eligibility documentation is current is more critical than ever.